Good morning. How we doing today? It is Friday on this lovely day, and I wanted to give you guys a couple things about exits, and a way to figure them out. A lot of people in the alerts come to me and say, "Hey, I keep trading your alerts. I'm doing great. I'm making tons of money, and then I hold it too long, or I'm doing great, and then I made 10%, so I sell that, and it runs 100%, and I feel like an idiot." A lot of times I don't alert. I alert my entries 99% of the time, but I don't alert my exits usually because a lot of times I'm exiting on like a quick spike, like a quick spike in the morning, and I have maybe 4 or 5 swing positions open that I have to run through and close, 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 close. First thing in the morning, or I'm out and about and I get an alert that a price hit a certain level that I've been waiting for it to hit, and I'm out. So those are the types of things that I'm going through. So I can't always be there to alert the exits for you guys. And I want to build people, like I want to help you guys trade better. I don't want to have you depend on me for every little thing and just copy what I do. You could just save up some money and give it to me, and you know, I'd run your account for you. But we're not going to do that because you couldn't afford me. So, anyways, a few things on TradingView. So if you don't have TradingView, it's a great app to use. But a few of these little indicators that I've been playing around with that I found. So on the bottom here, you'll see where it says FX. It looks like you click on that, and this is all your indicators here. So the first one is this buy, sell signal ZIA. That's what's given these little green and red dots here. Now it's a pain in the ass if you're not day trading and for swing trades a lot of the time because you see how it's like buy sell buy sell buy sell buy sell, and that's because there's no real confirmation of the price action in either direction. It's basically a momentum indicator, and there is no momentum here at the moment. It's consolidating, so it's going to say buy sell buy sell buy sell. But maybe we go a little bit further out. I actually never even looked at this thing on a daily chart or anything like that to see if it's helpful at all. It looks like it doesn't even provide. Oh, okay, here we go. Awesome. So it gave a good buy alert there, and it hasn't given a sell alert since on the daily. Same thing here. You say it gave a good buy alert there. Now, sometimes what I hate about this is they pop up kind of late, but I'm also just not really a fan of depending on this kind of thing because I feel like my eyes are better than these indicators. But if your eyes aren't better than these indicators, if you haven't quite gotten to that level yet, sorry, it's messed up here. These might help. Okay, so that one's called buy, sell, signal, ZIA. All right, so that's one. This next one below it, so you'll see the one that's moving right now. I need like some type of presentation device here where I can point and circle things and whiteboard it up, but look at a different screen. Anyways, you'll see that green and red line. This one, a funny name, it's actually called No Sure Thing. KST is the name of the indicator. If you go in here and you just type in KST, boom, No Sure Thing will pop up. And you see there's different ones from different people who've created it. So with that one, you see the dotted line. If it crosses below the dotted line and the green crosses over the red to the upside, that's a buy signal. If it is below the dotted line. Now, if it's above the dotted line and the red crosses over the green, then it's a sell signal. So if you'll see smack dab in the middle of the screen there, about 1400 hours, the green crossed below the red. And I think the buy sell signals are kind of firing off the same thing because you see it said sell there, and that's another thing you could do, set up multiple indicators. I really only use these if I'm heavily questioning myself. It's like, I don't know if is this doing what I think it's going to do, and then I can just go off of this. Or I use it more to sell too. Occasionally I'll glance over at my iPad and see sell arrow come in, and I'll see it consolidate, and I'll be like, I don't know if I'm going to, you know what, screw it. I'll take the profits. That thing's saying sell, and it takes the emotion straight out of it for me. So that's one way that you can use these, is just to take the emotion out of the trade. So when the green crosses through the red over the dotted line, sell. When the red crosses over the green above the dotted line, sell. When the green crosses over the red below the dotted line, it's buy. All right, and then This bottom indicator I have here is the squeeze indicator, the TTM squeeze. A lot of people use this. A lot of people like this. Essentially, when the bars are that light blue color, that's buyers are in charge. Buying momentum is there. When it turns to a darker blue, that's saying the buying momentum is slowing down. When it's red, it's saying that selling momentum is picking up. The sellers are in charge. And when it's yellow, it's that selling momentum is slowed down. Again, I don't look at this a lot, but sometimes if I'm trying to make some quick moves in multiple names, I'll flick through them and just look here. And it's pretty accurate. You can see how they correlate, the three indicators I have set up here. So these have been the three indicators that I've found. I've just been playing with this recently, and I found a bunch of them. Been trying them out and seeing what agrees with my style and where it's saying exit and I'm exiting on my own without looking at it, because that way I trust it more, because it's more like my eyes. I don't know, it's a weird thing I got. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me real quick on my channel too, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. It's a big deal to me. Not really, but please do it anyways. And comment below if you have a favorite indicator or any other indicators that you think I should check out on TradingView. If this helps you out, let me know. And yeah, hope this helps you out. See you guys. Peace.